Alright. Hole, nothing in it, somewhere. I have no idea what it is. You see, it's in the clump. Rang up in the 30s. And it's a awesome pull tab of wonder. Oh! So this one was about a 27, 28. Yeah. I don't know, that deep, whatever that is. And it's over here. Right there. I think that's a 10-cent piece. It is too. Now, the thing with this one, notice how it's got 1 shilling on it through here. There's a transition piece from pre-decimal to post-decimal, and was taken out of circulation, I think, in 1969 or 1970, from 65 to that time. So yeah, awesome. Coin history lesson over. So this rang up as a 36, 33, and dodgy as, you know, I normally don't try to, but I did. And it's the striker, I don't know, the rolly bit in a lighter. This one rang up as a 26, I have no idea what it is. It wasn't here. Now it's in there. So I thought, let's do this together. Sweet, another 10-cent piece. This time this one doesn't say 1 shilling under it. So it is the new, well, before we changed, post-decimal. Yeah, post-decimal. Just thinking between pre and post. Jeepers. So yeah, sweet. This one rang up as a, depending on which way I stood, 22 to 27. And it's shallow, it's in here somewhere. Yeah, last time I said shallow, it was actually long and like that, and quite deep. So, let's give it a crack, Nige. Dum-de-doo, dum-de-day. Dum-de-doo, dum-de-day. Oh, there it is. It's a piece of bottle cap. Okay, that's interesting. Interesting. And the reason I say interesting, I'll turn that off, is because of my settings. So, if you can see that, ground, M1, let's have a look. It's done that, do that, that's speed 5, iron filter is 8. Oh, no wonder. I'll turn that up. Feckin' hell. My mistake. Okay, and then we'll check it. Alrighty. I'm going to pause you and then we'll check it. So, 5, yeah. There we go. Set it to 8, but it still gives a bit of a ding, nice sweet sound. But we'll see how we go now that I fix that up. Bloody dork. There we go. This was a 27, just under the surface, and this was a 45 way down here. But yeah, another dog clip. Okay, next. So this next one rang up as a 43. I'm buying an old tree stump, which I'll show you in a minute. So yeah, let's give it a crack, Nigel. Oh, sorry, Nigel. Yeah, let's just crack. Let's just dig this. old tree stump, leaves, down here somewhere. I haven't even done a pinpointer thingy. I better get it out. Alrighty. There it is. It's a bottle cap. See? Bottle cap rejection. Does it work? Fact if I know. But yeah, there you go. Dun dun dun. This next one, still in the same spot, was there before. Now I'm here. It was a very sketchy in the 40s, and I mean very sketchy. And you can see rotten roots and stuff. So I've got no idea. It's probably another bottle cap. Oh no, it's a 1 cent piece. Holy crap, no wonder that was sketchy. Is it? I will have a look. It's a bit light. So yeah, bear with. So yeah, it's a shot 1 cent piece. Woohoo! So I'm on the other side of the stump. Yeah, went to show you, but I'm in selfie mode. What do you think of spending a couple of decades in the IT industry? I would know shit, wouldn't you? Excuse my language. So this one rang up in the 40s. So let's have a look. I'm expecting another 1 cent piece. It's down there somewhere. God, it's deep down there somewhere, isn't it? Oh, mackerel. Oh, the effort we go to enjoy ourselves, isn't it? Yeah, I thought so. I think bits of a can. So bear with, I will get back to you in a minute. Holy bonkers. Yeah, turn that off. That. For that. Oh, the rewards. So I checked the hole again, just to make sure, because I've learnt that lesson. And this flew out. Look at that. It's a little King George. It's a silver. New Zealand, 50%, sixpence. So, the rewards are awesome. Can you see that's fuzzy? So, I'll have a quick squiz at the date and get back to you. Awesome! Oops, dropped it. I was going to show you the date if you can read it. It's fuzzy, 1934. That is awesome. So this next one rang up as a 43. Same signal as that bottle cap that I had, the V bottle cap. So I just thought, shall we do this together? Oh, that's mine. Ah, it's me. Oh, what's that? What's a penny? Nice. Oh, it's got some nice green patina. Alright, let's have a look. So it wasn't a bottle cap. Yay! Well, I can see a bit of Britannia, so sweet. I'll be back in a sec. So yeah, it's a pre-1900s It's a 1891 British penny. I'm stoked. That's awesome. Why is my voice so high? But yeah, no, that's really cool.